Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day from home by simply drawing lines. Yes, you heard that right, just by simply drawing lines. So stick around, we'll go right back here in just a few seconds and we'll get started right on that. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. As I said in the intro, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day by simply drawing lines. Okay, so if this is your first time here to my videos or my channel and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Okay, alright, and also what we do here is we do online affiliate marketing and any way to make money to help you live the life of freedom, and once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video as well. Alright, so with that out of the way and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this. I know you're excited to see this. What we're going to do is come over here. I'm going to switch over to my other monitor here. Give me just 1 second please. And there we go. Now what we're going to do is come over here to a website. It's called clippingmagic.com. You see the address up here in the address bar, clippingmagic.com. Alright, what it is you're removing the backgrounds from pictures. Okay, as you can see in the example here, they're simply drawing lines and removing the backgrounds from pictures. Now usually that's a fairly hard thing to do if you're using like Photoshop or any other online tool to do it with. It's fairly tedious work, but not with this website. With this website, you can simply remove the background from an image and save the image that you want in the foreground by simply drawing lines. Now we're going to go ahead and test this out here. Now you're going to want to stick around for the whole video here, because in a minute I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day from home doing just this right here. Okay, so stick around. All right. I'm going to upload an image here, and they'll let you test it. Okay, actually we'll talk about this first here. They'll let you upload an image to test the tool to see how good it is and how it works, which we're going to test here in just a moment. But first of all, this site does require a subscription. They have their pricing here. If we come over and click on that, they have a price plan of $3.99 for 15 photos. It says 15 credits per month, but a credit is equal to 1 photo that you do. So you have 15 photos per month for $3.99. Pretty cheap, right? It is pretty cheap actually, considered how I'm going to show you how you're going to make money with this. Okay, so hang out. All right, now the next one, the standard, which is they say it's their recommended, is the $7.99 per month package, and you get 100 photos a month with that. And then they have a pro version at about $15 per month, and you get 500 photos per month that you can do. Okay, all right, now so let's go ahead and come back and let's test this thing out and see how good it is. Now I've edited images before with different online tools and with my own photo editor program that I use, and it's fairly tedious, and it takes some time to do it, but not with this tool right here. Let's go ahead and upload an image. Now I'm going to choose an image here that has a picture of me. It's actually on my website. This is my website front page. If you've ever been to freedommotivator.com, you know that this is my website and you've seen this before. Okay, now what we want to do is over here on the left side, and they have lots of editing tools. You can put shadows and everything else with this too. Now on the left side is where you work with it, and then you'll see the result over here on the right side here. Okay, all right, so as simple as this is, it's the green dot. You click on the green, that's to save what you want to save, and then the red is how to remove what you want to remove, right? So all right, so we're already set up on the green here. So let's come over. I want to keep my picture. You see my photo here. up on this background here, and I'm going to keep my photo here, and we're going to remove this background here. So what I do is just simply, I'm just simply going to draw a line through my photo with the green. I'm going to bring it down through my legs here onto my shoe, and then I'll just do this side here too. Come down here, and that's all we're going to do, and that's what we want to keep. Now I'm going to come up here and click on the red, and this is what we're going to remove. So we're going to remove the background out of here. All right, and then we're going to remove up between my legs here. And there you go. You see the result of it over here on the right side. You see how easy that was? That was very easy. Just that simple. And then you can take and you can edit it and add shadows to it, crop it. You can add different colors and saturation and hue, and do lots of different things with this as well. It's just an amazing tool here. And you see just how simple that was to do that. All right, so, and they have other tools. They got a scalpel tool here, and they got a eraser tool, and you can pan around with this panning tool, and then you can do different things with it here too. And of course, they want you to subscribe to download your finished product here and all, and then they show pricing here too. But then down here is some of your bottom here is your tools and shadows and so on and so forth. All right, so now we know how to draw lines and remove backgrounds and save what we want to save in the photo, right? With this amazing tool here. Now, how about how you're going to make $100 a day doing this, okay? Well, let's say if we come over here, and if I can find it, we're going to come over here and go to Fiverr.com. Okay, so if I load up Fiverr, and I type in here, for example, remove background images. I can spell it right here, I'll be in good shape. In their search engine, right? And you see here, there's all kinds of people actually offering this service. And they talk about, I will cut out images and remove backgrounds professionally, and make them $5. A lot of these, most of these are at $5. Some are at $30. There's one here for $30. It says I'll remove 200 image backgrounds within 1 day, $30, and so on and so forth. So all you got to do to make your $100 a day is just come over here to Fiverr, click on Become a Seller, sign up and get your account as a seller on Fiverr, and then you'll offer your service to remove backgrounds out of images for $5 a pop. So let's say if you did 20 photos per day, what does that equal up to? That's $100 per day. Now it will probably take you some time to get yourself known on here. Like some of these people got like 163 here of reviews from people with a 5-star. Here's 367, 326 on this one, 768, 244, 495, 496. Some of these people have been doing this for a while. But with this tool right here at clipmagic.com, you can come over here, sign up for a Fiverr account, charge $5, and begin to get yourself known and build your name up and get good reviews on yours, and start getting all kinds of different people asking you to remove the backgrounds out of their photos at $5 a pop, and 20 of those per day. That's $100 per day. Alrighty. All right, now what about if you wanted, you can scale this too. How about if you go to like, for example, Facebook, and you look up like FB, Amazon groups and other different types of groups that sell products, and you can offer your service there, and even and get, you know, bulk, what's called bulk background removal, and you could charge anywhere from $300, $400, $500 a pop to remove It's a background out of, say, 50 photos. You could charge $400 for that for a company. If there's a company that hires you, or a group of people that hire you to do that, that's $400 or $500 per day. You see the power of this thing? Yeah, you can't lose. All right, so do that. Come right over here. Go to clipmagic.com. Sign up for an account here. Choose one of their packages. Even at $15, if you do 15 of these a day, that's still what, about $75, and it's only costed you $3.99. So see, you can easily make a lot of money with this. $100 a day simply by drawing lines. Alrighty guys, that's what I had for you today. I know you like this video. Reach down there and hit that thumbs up button for me if you would. And also, if you want to see my #1 recommended business, affiliate marketing business, where you can make high ticket money, just reach down there below in the description where it says mentorwithkev.com and click on that and see what all you get for checking that out, okay? All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down there, hit the bell button, and I'll let you go for now, and I'll see you in a couple of days on the next video, okay? You guys take care and have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.